Y'all, it is hot today. So I just pulled all of this stuff out of the refrigerator, out of the pantry. And I'm going to try to knock out 5 meals in about an hour and a half. I always try to keep something pre-chopped. My bell pepper, my onion. Y'all know I love my garlic. That is my chicken stock. I have some heavy cream in the back, and I think I got some half and half back there. I just started pulling out stuff. I had some smoked sausage in the refrigerator, pack of ground turkey, some pasta, pulled out some cornbread mix, because I'm about to make these meals. I'm about to get it whipped up. I want it to be done in about an hour, hour and a half tops. So I'm just using what I have on hand, because who's not going to be in the kitchen all day? Me. Make some jambalaya, might throw a salad in there on the side or something, make some dirty rice, and I'm trying to make a variety of things so everybody will feel like their needs are met. So nobody will come to me and say, I don't like that. I don't eat that. You didn't make this. I'm the only one in the kitchen. I'm making what I want to make. So y'all stay tuned. I'm going to show y'all everything I made, and I'm going to get this done in about an hour and a half tops. That's my limit.